I wasn't working. I was living with a boyfriend, and he used, and I pretty much, every day just spent my day getting drugs. However, I had an employer that I stole their paychecks to get it, and at the time I thought that was rational, and I just couldn't stop until I just completely hit bottom. Like my purpose was gone. I felt like I was just existing in time and that I really wasn't going anywhere, and I felt like I was gonna stay that way forever. Fortunately, my grandmom just got home from vacation. She said, let's not put another Band-Aid and do one of these 28-day rehabs. How about this place? And I said, okay, I'll go. When I got out of the Solid program, I just felt physically like I was 16 years old. I was able to concentrate better. I was able to focus better. I really became awake. I also got, I learned about that I was a good person morally and ethically, and that I did have good morals, and I learned about different areas of my life and where my ethics stand in those areas, and what condition those areas of my life were in, such as work or family, and what I want to do to improve them, to get them into a better condition. Narconon gave me a new life, or we could say a fresh start even. Just a whole new world of opportunities, that I didn't even know I had, even when I wasn't doing drugs. Even before I picked up drugs, I don't feel like I had the opportunities that I do now from doing this program.